Hello everyone, my name is Lania Subianto. What are we going to discuss? What do you think about smoking on campus? In my opinion, the campus environment is one that must be carefully protected. As students, we must be mindful of the condition in which we live. Not everyone can breathe cigarette smoke, so please protect your surroundings by not smoking on campus. See you guys.
Hello everyone, let me introducing myself. My name is Lania Subianto, with name 642509116. Okay. What do you know about question words? Questions words are words we use to ask other people questions, such as what, when, who, where, why, how, and how much. We usually use question words to ask for specific information, such as people's names, objects, times, place, reason, and so on. Questions are crucial in everyday life, as everyone can easily find information from others. Questions are also the best way to ask for help, whether for yourself or someone else. We will explain examples of the words. Some examples of question marks. 1. This who. Who. We can use this word to ask someone's name or identity. Who also helps us with things in our daily lives. For example, who bought the plants in front of the house? 2. What. This word can also be used in everyday life to ask about the name of an object, its characteristic, or its condition. People usually ask what because they want to know what's happening or what they can ask someone to get to know them better or help them with something. For example, what are you doing? How can I help you? 3. We often where. We often use the word where to ask about someone's whereabouts, whether it's family or friends. We often use this word when we want to know where someone is currently. For example, where do you live? Where do you go to play? 4. When. We ask this word when we want to ask about the time an event occurred. This makes it easier to find the information. For example, when did the accident happen? When do you usually get home? 5. Why. We often use this word to ask about the cause or reason behind a person of an event that has occurred. The word why is very important in everyday life when asking about the condition of someone around us. For example, why Are you crying? Why did that happen? Sick? How? This word can also be used to ask about an event that occurred, and it can also be used to ask about a process or method we want to ask. For example, how do you make donuts? How did this accident happen? The last, 7. How much? We use this word when we want to ask about the value, quantity, or price of items we process or the result of calculation. For example, how much are the chilies? What's the final value? 8. Actually, where? Actually, the word can be used for many things, but what is certain is that this is a word to ask about our source. For example, where is the pen I bought earlier? So, do you understand? In fact, this question, the question word, is the same as the word if we want to ask for help from other people. We can use the question word as the wish word if we want to know many things. There are many examples of us using the question word in everyday life. There is one thing is a little important. Question words also always end with the says. If we are chatting with parents, friends, or boyfriends, we have to ask this say so that they understand that we are asking a question. Because many people misunderstand or typing if you don't meet and ask them directly. Nothing to ask. Conclusion. Question words function to ask many things that we can ask if you want to know something. We often use question words in everyday life to invite, request, and ask about events that have happened lately. Question marks usually end with a to clarity in the question sentence. Suggestion: if you're hosting an event, ask your audience what's trending right now, or inquire about hobbies and interests, opinions, personal experiences, or future plans. You'll see how questions can be fun if you know how to ask them to ask the right question. Okay, thank you.